Hello, good morning, students. Today is your topic network. What is network? Network is a one or more computers interconnected in order. That is called network. And networking is proper definitions. A network consists of two or more computers that are linked in order to share resources such as printer, CDs, exchange file or allow electronic communications. The computers on a network may be linked through cable, telephone lines, radio waves, satellites, or infrared light beams. There are two very common types of network includes. First one is LAN, second is WAN. LAN is local area network, WAN is wide area network. So first one is local area network. A local area network is a network that confined to a relatively small area, and wide area network is a connect network in larger geographical area. These are difference between local area network and wide area network. The proper definitions of the local area network: a local area network is a that confined to relatively small area. It is generally limited to geographical areas such as writing labs, schools, or buildings. Wide area network connect network in larger geographical areas such as Florida, the United States, and world. Dedicated transcontinental cable or satellites uplink may be used to connect these types of global network. That is desktop computers, firewalls, bridges, repeaters, and network interface card, switches, hub, modem, and routers. These are the wide area networks are the uses of this. And next one is the network topologies and types of network. Network topology used in the networking. There are different types of the topology used in the network. First one is mesh topology, ring topology, star topology, tree topologies, and bus topology. These are the five topologies used in the networking. First one is the mesh topology of these circuits. This one mesh topology, one computer to another computer interconnected in the mesh types, interconnecting one or others. This is the mesh topologies. And ring topologies, the computers are the networking interconnecting with the one computer or another computer in the ring type or the orbital shapes connecting of networking. And next is star topologies, one computer to another computer in the star figures, star types of networking. These are the star topologies. And next is tree topologies. The networking is the one or other computers in the randomly or around the all areas. And bus topologies is the one computers are the above and below of this reference of modem and modem interconnecting of the networking one to other computers. These are the topologies are used in the network topologies. These are mostly used in the topologies of the networkings. Next one is what is peer-to-peer network. Peer-to-peer network is an IT infrastructure in which two or more computer systems connect in order to share resources. Workplace may be set up these types of network by physically connecting computers into the link system or creating a virtual network. You can also set up the computers to the clients and servers of their networks. The advantage of peer-to-peer network, these are the advantage of peer-to-peer network. First is easy file sharing. Easy file sharing and advanced peer-to-peer network can be share files quickly over large distances. Second advantage is reduces cost. There is no need to invest in the separate computer for server when setting up the peer-to-peer network. Next is adaptabilities. Peer-to-peer network extends to includes the new clients easily. This benefits makes this network more flexible than client server network. Next is reliabilities. Unlike a client server network, which can fail if the central server mal- malfunctions, a peer-to-peer network will likely remain functional even the central server crashes. Next is last one is advantage efficiency. Emerging peer-to-peer network enable the collaborations between the devices that have the different sources that can the benefits the whole network. These are all the advantages of the peer-to-peer network. And next is switching techniques. Switching techniques in the large network, there might be multiple paths, link sender and receivers. Information may be switched as it travels through various communication channels. There are three typical switching techniques available in the digital traffics. First one is switching, circuit switching. Second is message and packet. These are three circuit switchings. First one is circuit switching. These are the circuit below circuit switching network and connected to RRRR routers and interconnected computer, one or two more computers connected in the networking. And circuit switching is properly definition. Circuit switching is generally used to public network, and this one is the it comes into existence of the handling voice traffic in addition to digital data. However, digital data handling by the use of the circuits switching methods are proved to be inefficient. The network for the circuit switching is circuit below figure in. And next one is packet switching. Packet switching. In packet switching, messages are broken up into packets, small packets, or and each of the which includes the headers with the source, destination, and intermediate node address information. Individual packets in packet switching techniques takes different routes to reach their respective destinations. Independent routing of packets in done in this case for following reasons. Bandwidth is reducedly the splitting of the data into different routes. These are the figures of packet switching. Switching node 1, switching node 2. These are the small packets, colors of yellow or blue. These are small packets broken into the users, 1 or 2, user 1 and user A and user B, user C and user D. These are the small packets broken into the packet message switching. In case message switching, it is not necessary to establish a dedicated path between the any two communication devices. There are each message is treated as the independent unit of includes its own destination source address by its own. Each complete message is then transmitted from the device to the another through intermediate internodes. These are the figures of the message switching data network. These are no dedicated. These are establish a dedicated path between the switches and computer and systems A and systems B, and switches 1, 2, 3, and 4 is a dedicated path. Switches 2 to 3 and A to switch 1 and switch 2, 3, and switch 4. These are the three types of switching techniques in the networking. Thanks, students. Thank you.